Once again futhi bafethu ngicela ukuthi ngibonge leli thuba njengoNkosi Nathi wakaZondi being interviewed with the Vaal broadcast as we all aware of the fight esiphezu kwayo as South Africans. As I'm standing here mina njengoNkosi Nathi wakaZondi as a leader March and March under sedibeng forum. Today we came here on the 6th of July sedibeng police station where we had our very effective meeting with all the stakeholders who are present today in terms of what the fight is about. The fight is about the illegal immigrants ezikhona ngaphakathi kwe-South Africa, as is formally known as abantu bokufika. Today, I won't lie to you, I won't lie to public, and I won't lie to all the South Africans. Ukuthi, the meeting today was very fruitful and very educational. Kunezinto eziningi esizifundile ngomthetho wethu wase-South Africa and how also illegal immigrants they have to apply kwimithetho ekhona eSouth Africa. And I just want to send a proper message to everybody okhona ngaphakathi kwendawo yaseSebokeng that the march that we started and the march that it's there for a national, it's not march ekutholakala ukuthi mhlawumbe siyadlala. We are not playing here. And then lastly, it's not about the personal vendettas that we have. This is not black on black hate for our brothers and sisters from foreign nationals. But I think ukuthi we are all here because of the concerns, because of the demands ephumayo from the community. Because khona manje as we are standing here, we came with the solutions, we came with the plans, we came with the action plan that is going to happen okusukela khona manje, with all the plans, with all the ideas and solutions that all stakeholders, everybody was available today in today's meeting. That we have a plan that is coming, and the plan that is coming, it's here to help us sonke. You know, it's not about this booking, it's not about Vaal, but it's all about South Africans, all in South Africa. So now the plan, as I said, we'll keep on updating. We'll keep on updating our community about the plans that we have, the action that we have to be taken. But all I'm trying to say is that into esiyilwelayo iyathembisa futhi siyabona ukuthi ekugcineni futhi izokwazi ukuthi ilunge. And then we'll be visiting most sites bafethu, trying ukuthi yonke imithetho ebekiwe ngaphakathi kwe-South Africa, they are all there being represented, and sonke sinayo i-plan and sizokhona ukuthi simuveleni forward ngento e-concrete. Other than most bafethu, I would say ukuthi today, meeting today was very successful. We have a positive response from our station commander, from our immigration, from Home Affairs. Their promise, they kept their promise, and then we are here. For us and to you, Bafetu, it's that let us stand together and fight this thing. This fight is not about Unzimbi, this fight is not about March and March, but this fight is all about us South Africans who are here. The South Africans who are feeling pain every day, South Africans who go through the most every day because of izinto ezenzakalayo ngabantu bokufika. Ngiyabonga.